So when will this bull run officially end? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on the current status of this bull run. Also, I will share some scenarios that could end it real soon. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi link if you want to earn free Bitcoin on every single purchase. The holidays are just around the corner and you can be earning crypto buying presents. And now let's jump straight into the video. So if you have been investing in crypto over the last 12 months, you have probably seen a lot of influencers on TikTok, here on YouTube, pretty much talk about the end of this bull cycle happening sometime in Q4 of this year, October, November, and possibly December. That time is officially here and the bull market is still looking good. A lot of influencers, including myself, believe that the market will continue to go higher and higher and higher until we have a massive blow off top sometime in Q4 of this year. But that has not happened yet. And I believe as time goes by, the chances of a blow off top are decreasing by the day. And I believe this bull market that we are in right now will be a slow, extended bull market. I believe we are still going to inch higher, but there's going to be a lot of volatility. So going into 2022, I believe the bull market will continue and we should see continuous growth in the crypto space. So that is what I believe will happen going forward. Do not take it as financial advice, it is just my personal opinion. So I also believe that the coins in the top 5, top 10 are going to see less growth than expected. But low cap gems and smaller projects are going to be the place where you make a boatload of money. Low cap gems that can pretty much do a 50x to 100x in the next couple of months will be the place where a lot of people become filthy rich. And that is where I'm putting my money into. Also, over the last 12 months, we have seen a lot of adoption, especially from big companies and big institutions. They're buying up crypto, they're investing and pretty much growing the space. And I believe this adoption is going to continue into 2022 and more big companies are going to jump into crypto, especially in these two categories, the metaverse and NFTs. I believe 2022 will be a huge year for both of them. So there's a lot of good stuff happening in the crypto space. But I do not want to sit here and tell you, invest, we're going to the moon, when there's a lot of red flags and red signs in the market today. Now I will share some scenarios that could potentially end this entire bull run. And the first scenario is the new variant. So over the last 7 days, the new variant has received a ton of press and a lot of countries have begun shutting down their borders, putting travel restrictions, lockdowns, all of that stuff. They're getting ready for something major. In the US, we have still not seen any major shutdowns, but the government is putting restrictions on travel, especially to South African countries. That is where they believe this new variant originated from. In my opinion, if we experience another massive shutdown, that will drag down the entire stock market and the crypto space. And as we all know, crypto is extremely volatile. So this shutdown can drag Bitcoin down 50-60%. And if that happens, in my opinion, that will be the signal that the bull run is over. If Bitcoin drops 50%, Ethereum will follow, all the other altcoins will follow as well. And a lot of people will lose a boatload of money. As you guys know, this time around, we have a lot more people investing in crypto than the previous bull runs. A lot of these new investors are only in it for the money. Nothing wrong with that, but when the bear market comes, they're gonna be leaving. They're not gonna be sticking around for 3-4 years while we pretty much stay flat while everything is dropping. They're gonna move on to other opportunities. As I make this video, another shutdown in the United States is very unlikely, but anything is possible. Also, there's still very little information about this new variant. We do not know how contagious it is, how fast it spreads, or any of that stuff. But I believe in the next couple of weeks, they're going to find this information out, and then we will see what will happen next. Also, one other thing that I would like to mention, the worst case scenario is if the US has another shutdown. But if other major countries start shutting down as well, I think it can have a very similar result. Another doomsday scenario is the situation that is happening in Europe right now, especially with Russia and Ukraine and NATO. If there's a conflict between Russia and Ukraine, best believe NATO will get involved. This will cause China to back Russia, the United States to back NATO, and if that breaks out, best believe the stock market will crash, the crypto market will crash as well. That is far-fetched, but it is definitely something in the back of my mind. Also, another very negative scenario that can play out in 2022 is the continuing weakening of the US dollar. As you guys know, the US dollar is the world reserve currency. But over the last couple years, we have seen major drops in value when it comes to the dollar. And if the US dollar continues to lose value, the US will be forced to act. And if for some reason they start blaming cryptocurrency, best believe they're gonna come with full force and pretty much give us one of the biggest bear markets that we have ever seen. I'm not saying it will happen. This is very, very far-fetched, but it is definitely a scenario that I want to prepare for. Also, guys, we have all seen what happens to institutions, to people, to countries that stand up against the US dollar. You have seen what has happened in Iraq, in Syria. Don't forget Libya and Gaddafi trying to switch over to the gold standard and pretty much unite Africa with one gold-backed currency. But in reality, whoever stands up to the US dollar gets wiped out. Now I'm sounding like a conspiracy theorist. Who knows? These scenarios might play out. They might not play out. Nobody knows. But there is one thing that I firmly believe, and that is crypto is the future. I believe crypto is here to stay. I believe it is going to revolutionize the world, one country at a time. We have already seen multiple countries open up to crypto and gain more adoption. And I believe that trend will continue in the future. It might be very, very volatile, but I believe crypto is here to stay. All right, everybody, post in the comment section below your opinion on when you believe the bull run will end and the catalyst that will end it. Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. These are just my personal opinions. And see you in the next video. Peace out.